How's it going, man?
Good to see you, bro.
Alright guys, so we're in Oklahoma City now. We're at this mall, the outlets, I don't know, at OKC. We're about to pull up to Oklahoma first. You guys want the first one?
More 8 through 10.
What big sizes do you have?
I have like one of each. Or like 2 10s, 2 11s, mostly one of each 10.
Let me grab like a 10, 11. You have 11 and a half?
I'd have to check here because I left most of it home. I didn't want to bring all of it.
Okay.
Yeah,
what do you have here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'll give you a change.
10, yeah.
Honestly, I'm firm on these. Like
which ones were they? Oh, on 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the Sakai's?
I have that one at 5, and I have this one at 650.
God, dude, I bought these for like 240, bro.
Yeah.
Like, as soon as they drop. I'll be around, bro. I appreciate you, dog.
Take a picture though? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, appreciate it.
Hey, bro. I'll take them.
Okay, I'll take them up.
All original box and everything like that?
Yeah, I got them all original.
Thank you, sir. 4, 5, and 6.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Follow me on IG, brother.
For sure. Cash out on the first one. We're going back for back to back. On to the next show. On to the next show.
Alright guys, so we just got out of the first show. It was okay, it wasn't bad. It's a little smaller than I expected. We're about to hop in the car and go to the next show, see what it's about.
Good buys though. Good
buys.
People were pretty generous with their prices. Profitable. That's all that really matters.
Yes sir, yes sir. I don't think I've actually introduced Cam to the videos. This is Cam.
What's up, guys?
On our 10 toes. If you guys haven't checked him out, I mean, you probably have. If not, links down in the description below. You guys can go check him out. Alright guys, so we just got to the second show. He just broke his mask.
I just broke my mask.
Sorry.
If I don't have another one,
You're
it's not gonna
it
be
says
good.
mask only on the fucking flyer, so let's hope you have one. It took us a little bit to find it. It's kind of an interesting spot. I don't know if I would say weird, but interesting. So we'll see how it turns out. Thank you. It's kind of popping off in here. I don't know if you can hear me because the music's so damn loud. It's not bad. It looks pretty dope.
Yeah, I paid $320 on it. $320? That's what I paid. Are they dead stock? No, no, these are pretty much. These. Do you know anybody with a court purple size 13? You might have one. I don't know. He can tax me, bro. I don't even care. What size do you wear?
275.
You do 260? Cash.
I might hold them, bro.
I'll be back.
All right, man.
Can I see the other one? Probably pass on them right now, bro. I appreciate it. That's a good price, though. We'll sell them for sure. I had one. This is my only one, bro.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's all that matters, bro.
So we just got the second show. I'm not gonna lie, this one's probably a lot better than the first one. It was a lot more like low-key and chill. Had music playing and stuff. Is pretty nice. If you guys are enjoying the video so far and you guys like these like sneaker con videos or sneaker conventions, definitely sure to let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so we're stopping to get some food now. I think we're going to Bricktown Brewery downtown, so that should be pretty good.
Fire.
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 Alright guys, so we just got out of the restaurant. It was really good, 10 out of 10. I would definitely go back there. So now we're heading back, I think.
Now we're about to open some packs.
Oh, yeah, we got some packs to open. So I bought some cards. I got like a steal on them. They were like, yes, I think I did. You guys can probably tell me if I did or not. I bought 7 Mosaic. I don't know, there's something. So we're gonna open them up, see what we got. Yeah, Panini, oh, Illusions, okay. So 7 of them for 60 bucks. I don't know, it might not be a steal. We'll see. Hopefully we can pull something crazy.
So
it's addictive.
If you ever played Madden, like
No,
Madden Ultimate Team,
did.
that was like, I spent so much money on the, they're like
packs?
virtual packs.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
There'd be a new pack like once a week. This brings me back to those days.
Oh.
Chris Paul, OKC.
Ooh, Devin Booker, is that any good?
You have to get like the ones that,
The color, oh.
yeah.
Oh, what is this? We have a Jay Crowder. There's no like auto on it, so I don't know.
You have to look at the, like rookie cards are really good. And then.
First pack, I don't know. We'll see. Nothing like spectacular. You want tag team it or? Ooh, LeBron James, is that?
Rookie Reflections, Nazar Little.
Yo, what is this? Porter Jr., Chicago Bulls. Wait, is it?
It has a number, number 105.
Wait, all these have a number there, right?
Oh.
Damn, yeah, this is not looking too good. Alright, if we pull something good
This
here.
is the last one.
Chipper Jones.
Oh yeah? I'm not really
Oh,
big
the baseball, yeah.
guy. I'm more of a basketball, football. Here we go. Last one.
Oh, what is?
TJ Warren. He was balling in the playoffs.
Kevin Love.
Or in the bubble.
Oh, wait, what is this? Wait a second.
Oh?
Oh, what is this?
CJ
Clear
McCollum.
shots.
Clear shot. That has to be at least worth the pack.
Let's see. And then we have
Kyle Kuzma.
What that is?
Kuz.
This has, let's look it up on eBay. This has to be something, right?
It's at least worth that pack, you know?
It's worth
$1.
It's worth
Dang, bro. I thought we hit a lid. No.
Spent $60. Got probably $10 worth of cards.
I feel like I'm a 16-year-old reseller.
So if I got anything good, I don't know. Let me guys know.
I blame StockX.
Yeah. Shop at 10 Toes. Dang, bro. Now I can deal with all these cards. This is terrible.
Giveaway.
60 bucks right here. Yeah, giveaway. Link down in the description below. Hey guys, so we just got back to Tulsa now. Pretty quick drive, probably like an hour 15, something like that. So he's unloading some of the shoes that he got.
Alright, brother.
Alright, homie, I appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate
Take
you.
it easy. Yes, sir. That wouldn't have been good.
No.
Dang it, bro. So cold.
Imagined, which will feature world premiere pieces by choreographers.
It's not really 50 degrees. It is a lot colder than that.
What up?
Okay.
We have 3 pairs now. Yeah, 2 of my slots did hit.
So let me see him on the foot.
No way, bro. I fell in love. I'm going to wear them, bro. For Halloween, I'm a white claw.
The UV, so it'll do a UV test, whatever it means in the magnetics. Alright guys, so we just got out of Tinto's. I consigned a couple things as you guys saw. Oh, and I sold Cam my foam runners, which honestly I'm okay with. I feel like they can't go up too much more, and they were like 85 bucks, so like whatever. So now we're gonna head to my other mall, and I'm gonna try to talk to them, see if we can't get a back door and some mochas. Probably not gonna bring the camera in, but I'll let you guys know how that works out. Alright guys, unfortunately, no back door. Stock's very low, like super low he said, so I don't know. I'm kind of confused. I did secure 6 pairs on the finish line raffle, so hopefully I can pick all those up. But I went into foot action. The guy, he was really nice, super good guy. Said he didn't have a lot of stock, and he didn't even have his stock in yet. So like, I don't know. It's probably gonna be a weird release. People are saying stock's super high. I've heard stock super high, but then that guy said stock's super low, so I don't know, we'll see. But hopefully Finish Line's gonna let me pick up all these raffle wins. If not, I guess you guys will see that in probably next episode's video. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm obviously home now. Fortunately, this morning I was able to cop the Veneer Dunks, I think it is. Honestly, I'm not too sure about how to actually say the name, but I think they're called the Veneer Dunk. I had early access to them, obviously. I was gonna record it, but I woke up this morning for the skeleton, what is it called? The skeleton dunks, or no, the skeleton Air Force Ones. So then I went back to sleep and I woke up for the early access. Luckily, I was able to get my hands on them. Pretty excited about them. Resale is looking pretty good right now. I might sell before the actual release. I'm not sure just yet. Alright, so it's about 2 or 3 minutes before Supreme here. We have some North Face Supreme collabs going.